The accusative is the easiest case in Slovak language. Despite of that, it brings disturbance into my classes. And the reasons are these. It answers two different questions. Koho, something like of who, and čo, what. When it answers the question koho, it is about animate object. When it answers the question čo, it is about inanimate object. The other reason is verbs which are followed by accusative. For example, the verb vidim, mám, mám rád, mám ráda are followed by accusative. And the third reason are the certain prepositions, which are also very important to know because it will help you to know that now the accusative follows. All rules are here. The accusative is the direct object of the sentence, which means that it follows such verbs as mať, mať rád, čítať, počúvať, kúpiť, váriť, robiť, vidieť, and many others. And when we speak about inanimate nouns, which answer the question čo, the accusative doesn't differ from its basic form. For example, dom, no change. Šalát, ja mám ráda šalát, no change. Problém, ja mám problém, problém. Čaj, mám ráda čaj. Obchod, vidím obchod. Chlieb, nevidím chlieb. When we speak about neuter objects, there is no change as well. Pero, vidím pero. Meso, nemám ráda meso. Dieťa, vidím dieťa. Dievča, vidím dievča. Múzeum, vidím múzeum. So, accusative masculine and accusative neuter doesn't differ from its basic form, and now feminine. And here there will be a little difference. A will change into U. For example, kava, mám ráda kávu. Bratislava, mám ráda Bratislavu. Reštaurácia, vidím reštauráciu. But loď, it is also feminine, but it doesn't end into A. So there won't be change either. Loď. Vidím loď. Počujem loď. Kúpim loď. Only men in Slovak language belong to animate nouns. And for men, we just add the letter A, like in the example. Muž, vidím muža, in accusative. Chlapec, vidím chlapca. Riaditeľ, vidím riaditeľa. If the word already ends in A, like in the example, kolega, so this A will change into U, but there are not many words in masculine which ends in A. So, kolega, vidím kolegu. Look again, and the example of neuter accusative. Dieťa, vidím dieťa, the word also ends in A, but there is no change because it is not feminine. Only in feminine, A will change into U. The verbs which are followed by accusative. One more time. Mať, mať rád, it's very important. Čítať, počúvať, kúpiť, váriť, robiť. Vidieť, potrebovať. Hľadať. Organizovať. Objednať. Jesť, piť, and many others. Examples. We need bread, tea and wine. Potrebujeme chlieb, čaj a víno. I am looking for soap, shampoo and a candle. Hľadám mydlo, šampón a sviečku. Sviečka, A will change into U. We are organizing a discussion and concert. Organizujeme diskusiu a koncert. We order soup, salad and fruit. Objednávame si polievku, šalát a ovocie. 5. I see a girl, a boy and a teacher. Vidím dievča, chlapca a učiteľku. Chlapec is animate noun, animate object. 6. We have a new male colleague, a new female colleague and a new director. Máme nového kolegu, novú kolegyňu a nového riaditeľa. Kolega animate object, kolegyňa inanimate feminine object. In both cases are changed into U. 7. We don't have a computer, time or mood. Nemáme počítač, čas a náladu. Nálada, mood, are changed into U. 8. I'm looking for a cook and a waitress. Hľadám kuchára a čašničku. 9. I don't like a new car and a new driver. Nemám rád nové auto a nového vodiča. O šoféra. 10. I listen to music, drink coffee and eat dessert. Počúvam hudbu, pijem kávu a jem dezert. So it was level 1. It is very important to realize that there are certain prepositions which are mostly followed by the accusative. For example, na, idem na kávu. Po, idem po kávu. It means I will go there and bring it back. Za, instead of. Urobím to za mamu. V, prídem v pondelok, prídem v utorok. Cez, budem pracovať cez týždeň, cez deň. Idem cez most. Pre, urobím to pre mamu. A neprídem pre zlé počasie, because of zlé počasie. O, in the period of time. Prídem o týždeň. So I think it's high level and it's very interesting to learn also these prepositions. Let's try that. Today we are going for coffee, lunch, for a walk. Dnes pôjdeme alebo ideme na kávu, na obed, na prechádzku. 2. We are going across the river, across the road, through the forest, through the park. Ideme cez rieku, cez cestu, cez les, cez park. 3. I work at the weekend, during the week, during the break. Pracujem cez víkend, cez týždeň, cez prestávku. 4. I will rest on Monday, on Thursday, on Sunday. Budem oddychovať v pondelok, vo štvrtok, v nedelu. Vo instead of v is used before the group of consonants. Therefore, vo štvrtok. 5. It's a gift for mother, for father, and for the child. Je to darček pre mamu, pre otca a pre dieťa. 6. I'm going to the station for my daughter, my son, and the luggage. Idem na stanicu po dceru, syna a batožínu. 7. He thanked us for the walk and for the gift. Poďakoval nám za prechádzku a za darček. 8. We'll be back in a moment, in an hour, in a month. Prídeme, vrátime sa o chvíľu, o hodinu, o mesiac. 9. I want to ask you for advice, for help. Chcem vás poprosiť o radu, o pomoc. Ask you for. For is dependent preposition, connected with the verb ask. It is the same in Slovak. Poprosiť, always followed by o. Poprosiť o niečo. O radu, o pomoc. 10. We will stay home because of the rain, because of the problem, because of the bad weather. Ostaneme doma pre dážď, pre problém, pre zlé počasie. And level 3. There are more prepositions related to the accusative, but only in the meaning of changing place. So when there is about answering the question, where to, there are such prepositions like na, nad, pod, pred, za, medzi, and this preposition usually used after dynamic verbs. Of course, after dynamic verbs when there is some direction of the change is shown. So there are dať, položiť, sadnúť si, schovať, hodiť, zavesiť. Let's look at the example. I think it will be easier to understand on the examples. I will put the book on the shelf. Dám alebo položím knihu na policu. Knihu is also accusative, but we are more interested now in the word polica. Na policu. Dám na policu. We will hang the painting above the table. Zavesíme obraz nad stôl. Again, movement. I'll put a table between the chair and the TV. Television. Postavím stôl medzi stoličku a televízor. After medzi. We will throw the ball in front of the boy. Hodíme loptu pred chlapca. We'll put the rock under the table. Dáme koberec pod stôl. Koberec is also accusative, but we are interested now in the accusative after that special prepositions after dynamic verbs. Look under your feet. Pozeraj sa pod nohy. He hid the box under the bed. Schoval si krabičku pod posteľ. The boy hid behind a tree. Chlapec sa schoval za strom. 9. I'll sit between Juraj and Zuzana. Sadnem si medzi Juraja a Zuzanu. Juraj is masculine animate, Zuzana is feminine inanimate. And that's all. Let's just repeat everything, but on the high level. So, after a preposition. During the holiday, I always work. Cez dovolenku vždy pracujem. The documents are for the director. Dokumenty sú pre riaditeľa. Riaditeľ. Animate. I'm going to get the key to go and bring them back. Idem po kľúč. I'm going for coffee on Sunday. Idem na kávu v nedeľu. 5. We'll put the ball under the bed. Dáme, položíme loptu pod posteľ. I'll come home in an hour. Prídem domov o hodinu. This is a gift for Michal. To je darček pre Michala. She buys beer for her husband. Kupuje pivo pre manžela. 9. During the holiday, he works. Cez dovolenku pracuje. 10. We paid for the concert. Zaplatili sme za koncert. Thank you. That's all.